Method 1, the easiest fix. Try the default password first.
The very first thing to try is the default password fuse. Go to your Lorex DVR login screen right now. First try username, admin, password, admin. Type it carefully and press enter.
If that fails now, try 6 zeros, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Then press enter.
Last default option, username admin, password completely blank. Just press enter without typing anything. If any default password worked trefif, you are back in. Go change your password immediately so this never happens again.
If none of these worked pef, no problem at all. Method 2 uses your smartphone and takes under 3 minutes.
Pick up your phone and open the Lorex Home app. If you don't have it plugged, download it free from the App Store or Google Play.
Make sure your phone and DVR are both on the exact same Wi-Fi network. This step is critical. Do not skip it.
Inside the app, find your DVR in the device list and tap on it. Then, tap the settings gear icon in the top corner.
Scroll down until you see Reset Password Fru. Tap on it. The app will send a reset link to your registered email address. Open your email inbox, find the email from Lorex, and tap the Reset Password button inside that email. Open your email inbox PC, find the email from Lorex and tap the Reset Password button inside that email.
Type your new password. Make it strong. Letters, numbers, and a special character. Confirm it and tap Save.
Go to your DVR login screen, type your new password, and you are back in full control. Method 2 complete.
Method 3, reset your password